Hi, we will now move on to the information system strategy triangle. The simple illustration of an IS strategy triangle can be seen on the slides, and it represents a simple framework for describing the alignment necessary with business systems and for understanding the impact of IS on organizations. This framework or frame in mind is called the Information System Strategy Triangle because it relates business strategy with IS strategy and organizational strategy. Successful firms have an overriding business strategy that drives both organizational strategy and IS strategy. The decisions made regarding the structure, hiring practices, vendor policies, and other components of the organizational design, as well as decisions regarding applications, hardware, and other IS components, are all driven by the firm's business objectives, strategies, and tactics. Successful firms carefully balance these three strategies. They purposely design their organization and their IS strategies to complement their business strategy. Focusing on the IS strategy, the IS itself can affect and is affected by the changes in a firm's business and organizational design. To perpetuate the balance needed for successful operation, changes in the IS strategy must be accompanied by changes in the organizational strategy and must accommodate the overall business strategy. Then, if a firm designs its business strategy to use IS to gain, such as, for example, strategic advantage, the leadership position in IS can be sustained only by constant innovation. No? The business, IS, and organizational strategies must constantly be adjusted. So, if you can see the triangle, it balances the three factors of driving factor would be the business strategy as an overall. IS strategy always involves consequences, intended or not, within business and organizational strategies. There are IS unintended action that sometimes can be overlooked by the organization. Avoiding harmful unintended consequences means remembering to consider business and organizational strategies when designing IS implementation. In this way, we can at least anticipate some possible consequences of IS and strategies to organization or business. With that summary, we can summarize that the impact of IS, or looking at the other side, the IS strategy triangle is a simple framework for understanding the impact of IS on organization. That means one aspect of the triangle changes on one aspect will affect the other. That's why they are triangle, and the triangle will be formed based on the changes of each major factors or sides of the triangle or corner. Successful firms have an overriding business strategy. So most of the time, we consider the overall business strategies and consider organizational and IS as supporting to business strategy, which leads us to the third impact where this business strategy drives both organizational and information strategy. If you look at the previous diagram also, we see that the business strategy is seen as the upper side of the triangle, which give the direction and the supporting our organizational and information strategy. Lastly, the expected impact of ISR is that all decisions are driven by the firm's business objectives. So it follows all that if we will examine the triangle, we are looking at business strategy at the tip or the driving force of organizational strategy and information strategy. But looking on the bias side of technology, we can say, for example, that IS strategy can be a weapon or can be a competitive advantage to put business strategy. But in the end, we consider the management direction of the organization, and we consider other IT and other organizations would be supportive of business strategy. Take note also that sometimes to be able to exploit the capability of technology in business strategy, awareness of managers or heeding or someone who will champion to the strategic management of the organization must be considered to be able to account into the role of information system within the organization. We emphasized earlier in our questions that information system is the involvement of the IS managers on the overall IS planning or in considering IS in formulating business strategies of the organization. So considering this perspective of the IS strategy triangle and the impact of IS, analyzing the effect of business strategy both on the organization and information strategies, I hope that we've learned with this very short video that um, in the overriding firm's direction would be set by the business strategy, and we assume that information and organizational design or strategies will support the information strategy, but it doesn't mean that we ignore the knowledge of the business managers who formulated the business strategy, the role of information system. We want to emphasize that we can use the knowledge, knowledge of information systems is important for the business strategy to consider IT as their competitive advantage or that will drive the organization strategy into the position that it wants to achieve.